Hello, my fellow traders. I hope you all enjoying your weekend. Wow, what a trade it was. Got an exact move from natural gas I have predicted. Let me quickly show you what I said in my previous video. It won't be long. It's very important for you guys to see how we take entries, what I've said in my previous video, so that you guys know how to enter the market exactly. I see this level, a level of resistance for natural gas. It's a downtrend line. And what I expect to see the natural gas break above this zone and then give us an entry reason from this zone. So once we have a break and close above this level, then I expect to see the market to hit at least this zone, which is 5.392 till 5.433. But right, perfect. So like I said, after the break of this trend line, we look for entry condition and then we'll take a long entry. So if you go back on 1 hour time frame, if you remember in my last video, I have said I take entries on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, and I draw my charts on. If you see here, we have a break of the trend line right here, no entry condition. We got a pullback with an entry here. We got an entry here. Like I said in my previous video, if we get a break of this level, I'll see the market to shoot up, and which happens. So what to expect next from natural gas? So right now you see the natural gas has break and close above the level of resistance, might now act as a level of support. And if you see, this level has been respected in the past. You can see an entry as a 3 at 2 candle as a resistance. This level has been respected as a support. Here you see an engulfer entry. Here market shoots up from this entry, the entry condition I was talking about. And if you go back and see, we have an entry here, a pin bar entry, and a 382 bullish entry. And this level has been respected here. You see an engulfer entry, a level has been this level has been respected, and we have a shoot down from this level to the next level of support. So this is the power of taking an entry with an entry conditions. Now I see this level a level of significance, and now the market on Monday, if market opens above this resistance zone, then I'll expect to see a pullback back to the zone, engulfer entry from the zone, or we get few candles with a double bottom sort of entry towards the next level, which is 5.644, and then we have a next level above resistance zone, which is 5.779. I see the first target here, the first resistance here, and then I see the next target here if the market is still bullish, and then I'll wait for the sell entry either from this zone or from this zone once the market gives us an entry condition. But if the market won't open above this zone, the market, let's say, open below this zone, then I will wait to see how the market reacts. Right now, the market is above the resistance level, and we will look for buy entries once we have an entry condition from here, and I'll keep you guys updated as usual. Whatever the entry condition we get, I'll notify you on Telegram and on Instagram as well. Make sure you subscribe me both channels as well. Let's check oil now. Oil here you see has fallen down to the next level of support. If you remember my last video, I have said that once the market breaks below this zone, and I'll look for the retest and I'll go for short entry from this zone. So let's go back and check what I've said. For the sell entries, just in case if the market come back down, break and close below this zone, which is 74.99, then we won't be taking any buy entries, guys. We only look for sell entries after a retest of the zone back towards the next level of support, which is more likely to be 67.48. Right, exactly. So here you can see the market breaks below this zone. We had a pullback with an engulfer entry, and now you see the market has fallen down towards the next level of support, exactly to the zone I have marked in my last video, which was around 65.79 till 67.56. So the market has fallen to this zone now, and I'll be looking for buy entries from here. You see the market has oversold as well. So on a 4 hour time frame, if you see the next candle, let's say you get a next candle close at 69.31. If the next candle closes here, then we'll and then we'll look for a long entries from here. If you get a smaller candle, then we'll wait for another candle and we wait for a double bottom sort of entry from this zone towards the next level of resistance after a little pullbacks. This is now our buying zone. But if the market, let's say on Monday, if the market go below this zone, if the market go below this zone or between this zone, you can still take a long entries between this zone. That if the market retraces down between this zone and then give us an engulfer entry from this zone, we're still okay to take long entries or double bottom entries from this zone. But if it breaks below this zone, this green zone I've just marked, then I look for a short entry from this zone and I'll go short to the next level of support, which is, you can mark on your charts if you want to, which is 61.81. And you see the market has inspected this zone in the past here. And here you can see we had an engulfer entry as well, and the market has shoot up from this entry. So this is the power of entry I was talking about, guys. And here you see we had an engulfer entry here as well, shoot up, and market has inspected this zone in the past. And if you go back down, this level has been inspected here as a resistance, resistance, support, resistance. So this level is a level of significance. So that's a condition of taking short entries. Let me clear this mess up. You have both entry conditions now. So we just need to look for an entry pattern. So once we get an entry between this zone for a long entry, and if we get an entry below this zone, we go short entry towards the next level of resistance support, which is 61.8. I hope you're getting value out of my videos. If you're getting value out of my videos, please don't forget to hit a like button. It will help me in the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to leave a feedback down below as well. You can always send me a message on Instagram. I get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.